Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And in this What's for Dinner segment, I am making a delicious refreshing salad. We're making a goat cheese with pears, spinach, almonds, and a reduction of balsamic vinegar with olive oil. This salad is so easy and refreshing. Your family will definitely love. You can have it for lunch or for dinner. So let's begin by adding the balsamic vinegar to the pan and allow it to reduce for the next 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, no more than that. After that, we're going to dice our pears and we're going to add our pear to our spinach. I'm using an organic spinach that is triple washed, so I don't have to worry about washing it. Then I'm going to add the goat cheese as well as our almonds. And I just want you to know that all these items that I'm using here will be added in the description below, so you're able to add this to your cart and get it delivered with Amazon Prime. Afterwards, we're going to mix our balsamic reduction with our salad, and that's it. Very simple. Our dinner is done. You will feel satisfied, but at the same time, not too full. If you're looking for a meal that will satisfy you, but you're not too hungry, this is the perfect meal. I thank you so much for watching this video. Come back in a few days to check out another What's for Dinner segment. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.